Therefore, also this one here was taken last week. Yeah, so I'm trading multiple currency pairs. That's why in this pair I only have 2 trades in it, but still it went on my favor. So let me show you exactly how I took this one in particular, and then we come here also. Yeah, I first started by seeing on high time frame. Yeah, I just went in a weekly time frame, because on high time frame you can really see clearly about you can easily see clear market structure. As you can see, I have marked mine here. Okay, you can even go to monthly if you want.